All right, 6:30 in the morning. We're gonna get us some redfish. Need some shoes.
Hey, so how do we lower and lock up the tent? We're gonna need a lower and lock up the tent.
We're in Montague, Louisiana. Pointe Aux Chene. Gonna get some breakfast cooked. Get out on the water. Hopefully catch some redfish.
Specks, baby.
Specks.
Reds.
Red. White. Specks. A little bit windy today. Gonna go ahead and launch the kayaks. See what we can get into. Hopefully we can get something good. Get something to eat tonight, do a little catch and cook. Beautiful day. Despite the wind. We gotta go ahead and get them. Good spot through here. Gonna go ahead and set up shop. Get the bait on the hook, and we're gonna throw some lines out. Steve done already caught a trout. So I don't know how big it is, but definitely not the ideal weather. It's a little bit windy. I'm sure you can hear it in the microphone. Apparently Steve's catching. He's on his way over here, so we're gonna see what he got. I think it's a little trout, but I'm gonna go ahead and throw some lines out right here in this little pocket in the marsh, and then we're gonna get to fishing. Hopefully, get to catching. Got us a little minnow on the line. Go ahead and cast it out. Got one so far. A little bitty thing, but hopefully we can get some more. Just way too windy out here. Steve's gonna get the truck. We're gonna go regroup, find somewhere else to go. Hopefully we can catch some fish. All right, guys. just to fill y'all in on what we did today. Well, I did much of nothing. I've been out there for about an hour and a half in this kayak, and it is just god awful. I mean, the winds are kicking up really bad. I can't get anywhere in that kayak. I actually sold my other one, so we had to borrow this from somebody else, and it just wasn't cutting it for me. Thankfully though, Steve brought his kayak, and he is gracious enough to go get us some meat. Hopefully he can bring back some reds or some specks or something. Get it over to the campground, throw it on the fire, and we will have some food tonight. So I'll keep y'all updated on that. And I'll be in here. They're waiting tonight. Shouts to Steve, putting food on the table. Back at the camp, we're cooking something up. You know what it is. Finna make some mac and cheese. Didn't have a pot, so we're just gonna use that little pan. Put some water in there. We finna boil them up. Steve is outside. He is filleting the fish. We're gonna put that over the fire. We're gonna have us a nice little meal. All right, let's see what we're working with. Got the fish right here. Yes, indeed. Yes, sir. Specs on the way. We're gonna have to see about that. Back here. And you know we got the Hawaiian sweet rolls. Come on now, man. Hey, catch it today.
Yeah.
And we got some mac and cheese. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look at that. Beautiful. Good job, Steve.